subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to hit that notification bell next to the subscribe button for more future notifications of my videos. Hi everyone, I am Pallavi and welcome back to my channel. And if you are here for the first time, I make videos on fashion, beauty and lifestyle. So if you are interested in any of these topics, then please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. So this is basically the look which I created for a recent event, which goes with both Indian ethnic as well as Western looks. So if you are interested to know how I created this festive makeup look, then please keep on watching. Also, I want to make you know that I'm not a makeup professional and this is how I do and I love it. Starting off, here I'm using the Nivea Men Aftershave Balm as a primer. So here I'm going to apply it all over my face and let it dry for some time. Then I am using the 24-hour Revlon Color Stay Foundation in the shade 320 True Beige and I'm going to apply with my beauty blender all throughout my face. I want you guys to let you know that all the descriptions of the makeup products will be there in the description box. So if in case you want to have a look, you can definitely go there and have a look of each and every product I used in this video. Then I'm using the Maybelline's new Insta Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Medium and dotting it down on my regular areas, that is, you all know guys, under the eye, on the tip of my nose, forehead and near my jawline, the upper jawline area. Also, I'm not forgetting to conceal it over my eyes and the corners of my lips, as it is the most pigmented area and I need to balance those pigmentations. I'm using this wet makeup sponge and dabbing it on my makeup to remove any excess product. I'm also working out in mixing the product properly to get a more properly mixed surface for that perfect and seamless look. Now here I am using the Johnson's baby powder, or you can use any talcum powder, to set my base and avoid the creasing of concealer. Thus it can also be called as the baking technique, a kind of baking technique. Now for this talcum powder or the Johnson's baby powder, you can just leave these talcum powder for just 5 minutes. By that time, I'll go and do my eyebrows. Maybelline's Master Contour Stick to contour my cheek, my nose, to get that slim chiseled look. I'm also going to apply the same on my jawline to nullify that double chin problem of mine. Use a wet sponge to mix the contour so that it gets properly absorbed into the skin. Here I am bouncing my wet beauty blender on my skin and just trying to mix all the contour wherever I have applied it. On my nose, on my corners of my cheek, on my jawline area. Now here I am using the contour brush from Bourjois to apply the bronzer on the contoured area so that it just sets up the previously applied base. So as I forgot to swipe off the excess powder which we applied on my under eye area, I'm just quickly going to swipe off the talcum powder or the Johnson's baby powder, whichever we have applied at that time. I'm just going to swipe it off. Now after contouring was the blush time. So here I am using the Maybelline's Master Blush palette to apply the blush on my face using this coral pink color. I really like the shade of that palette. I'm just quickly putting some blush on my cheeks. Now for the eyes, I wanted to do something really very different this time. As I generally wear specs, I had never gone for heavy eye makeup looks and always tried to keep it simple. Now, so today I had this turquoise eyeliner, so I quickly thought of adding this pop of color on my lower lash line area. Quickly going to use this brown shade from the nudes palette to some kind of, I was in thought of experimentation, so I took this brown shade and quickly smoked out the lower lash line area. So the blue and the brown is getting mixed, and I'm just trying to create some different look. Hope it works. So here I'm using the Volume Million Lashes by L'Oreal mascara and adding lots and lots of it on the lower as well as the upper lash line area. I love lining my lips, and here I'm using this Sephora lip pencil to line my lips. You can also use this lip pencil as a lipstick by coloring is as a whole, but I'm going to fill it with different color. So now using the same Maybelline's Master Blush palette, the highlighting shade of the Master Blush palette, I'm quickly taking it on the brush and highlighting my cheekbones, my eyebrows, lower the eyebrows, my cupid's bow, and my forehead region. Now here I'm using this angled brush from my all-time favorite nudes palette, the brown color of the nudes palette, which I use every time to shape my eyebrows, and I love that product. Now I forgot to apply baby lips, so here I am applying the baby lips on my chapped lips and allowing it to settle for some time. Also, I love highlighting with Vaseline petroleum jelly. No matter I have applied with the highlighter, but still I'll go for applying the Vaseline on my highlighted areas. Now lipsticks are really fun to play with, especially during festivals. So red color is so apt for this season. I opted for this Revlon's Ultra HD Matte Lip Color, and I love this color. I completely loved how the complete look turned out to be, and especially the Vaseline as a highlighter. I just love that. I quickly changed my outfit and will be there right with you. So that was the complete look which I created, and the dress was from Lipsy London, whereas the earrings was from Accessorize. I love this look, how it turned out to be. You can do this makeup either with a western look, or you can also go for the Indian festive makeup look, pairing a narkali or a dress, whatever you like. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And I'll see you again with yet another interesting video. Till then, bye bye.